Hey boys and girls, welcome to math today. Today we are going to keep reviewing, okay? So yesterday we went over fractions. Today we're going to review our adding and our subtracting, sorry. And we're going to do kind of what we did yesterday. We're going to do some together and then we'll do some in class if you are in person, and there will be some on Class Kick for those of you that are still virtual, okay? So I'm going to share my screen with you guys and we're going to do our class kick together. Okay, so let me pull it up here. All right, so let's go over a little bit of the vocabulary before we get started. So remember, when we're adding things, we're making them what? Bigger. Your number is getting larger. When you put things together, you're making the number bigger. That's adding, okay? And if you are subtracting, you are taking away things, so your number gets smaller, it's less. So adding, it's getting greater, subtracting, it's getting less. So we're going to look at these problems together. I'm going to read it to you, and we're going to decide by looking at the problem and listening to the words to see if we're going to add or if we're going to subtract, okay? Because they're going to be mixed in together. So let's look at this problem number 1. Marin picks 6 flowers from the garden. She picks 2 more. How many flowers does she have altogether? Now, I'm going to circle this word right here, or I'm going to highlight it. Looks like it's highlighting. All right, this word says all together, all together. So if you put things together, you're making them what? Bigger, bigger. So if we make things bigger, we're doing what? Adding. Good job. All right, so we know she picked 6. Here's the 6 she picked. She picked 2 more. How many does she have altogether? And remember when we were doing adding, we always started with our big number. We knew she had 6, so we're going to count on 7, 8. Did you guys get 8 before me? I hope so. So I'm going to circle 8. And that's the correct answer, isn't it? Good. It was an adding problem. All right, number 2. Everly has 3 cookies. She eats one of them. How many cookies does she have left? So we started off with 3. Poor Everly was hungry, like you guys at school every day, so hungry. So we have a line marked through 1 because she ate one of them. Are we adding or subtracting here, friends? We are subtracting. Good job. So we've taken them away. How many cookies are left? Left. Have left means subtract. Let's count them. 1, 2. Did you guys say 2? Good job. So I'm going to circle my answer 2 there. Great. All right, let's read this one. There were 2 ladybugs and 8 butterflies in a garden. How many total bugs were in the garden? Okay, so here are 2 ladybugs. Here are 8 butterflies. Okay, so we could start with a larger number if you wanted to and say 8, 9, 10. Or if we can't do that, let's just count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you all get 10 before me? Great, great. So this was adding. How many total? How many total? All right, let's go to the next page. Malia has 1 doll. She gets 2 more. How many dolls does she have now? So if you go to the store and you already have something and you get more, are you taking toys away or are you getting more? You're adding to them. You are adding to them. Good job. So how many dolls does she have? You guys can look at that and count. How many? 3. Good job. 3. So be sure to circle my answer 3 here. All right. Hudson has 9 tennis balls. He loses 6 of them. How many tennis balls does he still have? All right, so we started off with 9 altogether. He was probably hitting them and they went into the woods. He lost 6 of them. How many are left? How many do not have a mark on it? 3. Good job. 3. And is this an adding problem or a subtracting? We went from 9 to 3. Our number got smaller, so we subtracted. Good job. Subtracting. All right, here's another one. There are 4 soccer balls and 3 basketballs on the playground. How many balls are there all together? Okay, so we know we have 4. We got 3 more. All these balls are there all together. So that means we're adding them up, right? So how many do you count? 7. Good job. 7. Awesome. All right, and one more page. You guys are doing great. Emma has 5 strawberries. Here's her 5 right here. Her friend gives her 5 more. How many strawberries does she have now? Are you going to add them or are we subtracting them? We are adding them. Good job. So if you have 5 and add 5 more, how many fingers do you have? 10. Good. 10. 5 and 5 is 10. All right, that's an addition problem. Jason has 8 footballs. He puts 4 of them away. How many footballs does he have left? So he started off with 8. He puts them away, so he's taking them away. So when you take it away, you're making it smaller, so you are subtracting. Good job. So how many footballs do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get 4? Awesome. It is 4. Good job. And our last problem, boys and girls, Sean had 7 blueberries and 1 raspberry. How many total berries does he have now? How many total? We put them all together. We are adding. Good job. So how many? He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Which one of these numbers is 8? Is it this one? No. Good. Is it this one? Yes. Good job. Good job. All right, guys, so today we went over adding and subtracting. It's a lot, but you guys are doing great with it. So make sure when you get problems that you listen to the words if your teacher has read it online for you, or if you're in class today and you do work together, be sure you listen to your teachers because some of you don't know how to read yet. So the best way to do it is use your good listening ears. All right, guys, so do some good work today on your class kick and in person if you are at school, and I will see you tomorrow. Good job.